Okay. As you all know, yesterday was Halloween. I went with my 17-year-old sister and her 17-year-old and 16-year-old and 15-year-old friends. It was Halloween because I was the only 14-year-old there, but that's cool. I got a lot of candy. And I'm fat, so I ate it all. Not fat, but I ate it all. These were gross, but I'm eating them. I mean, that didn't happen. Oh man, I hate Twizzlers. I've got two yum. Don't really like candy. I don't want to make them crazy, but don't really like candy that much. One candy I do love, Skittles. Ew. Got distracted by someone on TV. That was weird. Where's my Skittle? Little gummy one thingies. Oh my god, gummy worms. They're so tiny and cute. It's sad to eat them though. Well, comment and tell me how your Halloween was. That'd be fun. Yeah. Bye.